everything is proper, three conditions are fulfilled. Second, I given you the technicals are giving us a good signal. Beginners might not understand this parallel consolidation. You might understand later in the workshop. I will explain you. But have you understood why the resistance have been broken down? And the third thing, the earning report. In trading, I will give you the link. Don't worry about this. You can create this setup on your own. Everything is simple. I will explain you everything. But now the third thing, which is why it's going up. We saw 16 stocks. किसी का भी news था? No. Why this only two stocks have? Because this is genuine. This is reality. This is not a false trap where you will lose your money. Drop wow in the Zoom chat. If everything is connected to you now. Now I will come to AI and automation. Wow. Have I connected all your doubts? As a beginner, how many people loved it? Drop loved it in the Zoom chat. Loved it? Chalo, that's great. Beautiful. The people are asking me subject to queries and I cannot answer it right now. We'll discuss it towards the end. Now I'm closing the chat box and now guys, see this. I will come to this slide again. Just a sec. Where is our slide? My simple question to is, after doing this much of mehnat, this much of hard work to try to explain you why these trades are important for you, have I cleared your how? The how which you asked me, Hardik, how to get it? Is that a clear? Is that a yes in the Zoom chat? Now my second question is, Hardik, why I should be focusing on 33%? Drop why in the Zoom chat. Now I will explain you the next concept, which is AI and automation. Drop why in the Zoom chat. Now you will yourself will answer me. So guys, you can see I have all the proofs. I have achieved my financial freedom. I want to ask you, what is your plan to achieve your financial freedom? Any idea? Anyone has their plan ready of how they are going to achieve their financial freedom? No, Ranbir is saying no, no, not yet. No plans. Anyone does not have any plan about their financial freedom? No one? Not anyone? Oh my God, it's shocking to see that. Okay, I was looking for this answer and I think I've get it. I've got it. I've got it. How many people do SIP? Drop SIP in the Zoom chat. SIP. See this, guys. I'm going to close the Zoom chat and this is what all the people are doing it. I'm going to show you a screenshot, guys. Everyone focus on my screen. See this, guys. I'm opening a Word doc. Madan Kumar, Shrikant Paul. Since all your chats are coming to me because of your privacy, so no one can see each other ka chat. Shaunak Saha, Girish Fulen, 77 other people. Every single one of you are saying SIP. And let me close the chat box. Now, guys, you are going to get a reality check. You are going to be, please be sitting on your chairs, because all these people who are just for the sake of use, this financial gurus, these people on YouTube who are not certified, who are not professionals, are giving you any example. Mutual funds, which gives you 15% return. I can give you writing on this call. I can sign in anywhere you want. You cannot achieve your financial freedom with 15% returns. Hardik, how you can be so sure about it? Because guys, I myself have been experienced that. And let me show you that why you should not be focusing on 50% and your focus, your entire energy, your entire focus should be on 33%. And let me do comparison. So my comparison is with all the people who are doing SIPs at 15% return. Perfect. 33%. Why you should be change your financial plan? If you want to achieve financial freedom, if you don't want to attend it, no problem, do your SIPs. Problem number one with SIPs is you don't know the alpha trading strategy, alpha nifty strategy, where your returns in mutual fund can go above 15% as well. We'll come on that. But why your focus should be on 33%? Let's say you have 10,000 ka net worth. I will do, let's say, comparison with Raju. So there is Raju. Raju has a net worth of 10,000. Hardik, has a net worth of 10,000. Raju and I invested 10,000. I invested in a trading strategy. Yes, you can start with trading with 10,000. I myself started with 12,000. 12,000 only. My family didn't have rich people. My people, my parents are still hardworking professionals. They're still working because they love to work. And that's the reason I'm telling you 12,000 so you can start your journey. I myself have started with 12,000. I'm a living proof. But let me explain you the logic. So let's say Raju invested in mutual fund, which is in, let's say, orange, and I invested in 33% CAGR returns. After 5 years, the net worth of Raju will double, compounding. But my will be four times. And this is just 5 years. As I said, every 5 years, you will four times your net worth. 7.2 lakh is my returns after 15 years. But what is the case with Raju? Not even 1 lakh, just 80,000. But still, if I tell you from financial point of view, finance influencer point of view, they will tell you your net worth will be 8 times. You will be shocked. You will be happy. Oh my God, 8 times. But now, can you see this 8 times are not looking good? Why? Because now you have a better option. You have something which is attainable, which is achievable. And there is someone who's been there and done that, not just giving you theories. See this. After 25th year, your net worth will be 30 times, 3 lakh rupees. Sounds so cool, sounds so good. But what if I told you my net worth will be 1.2 CR? And this is the real power of compounding, the power of compounding. Read the book if you haven't read it. Got a reality check for yourself? Is that a yes in the chat box? Have your why is clear now? What is your agenda? Tell me what is your goal now? What is your plan? Drop 33% if you have got the logic. Drop 33% in the Zoom chat if you want to attain your financial freedom in the fastest way possible. There is no sense. Guys, tell me honestly, is there any sense to achieve financial freedom at 65 and buying your dream house and dream car at age 65? Or do you want to achieve it before it? 33% on your capital annually, compounded annually. This is all annually results. Before it, good. Now, coming to the fourth layer, which is a game changing. Hardik, one more layer? Yes, I personally do it. I am not completely a technical trader. I do consider financials of a company as well, which is a part of fundamental analysis. But the problem with fundamental analysis is, Hardik, how to do this? Hardik, I'm a 9 to 5 professional. Hardik, I really don't have time to do the research. Hardik, I'm a student. I have my projects. Hardik, I'm a business owner. I myself has a full-time business. How do I do fundamental analysis? So what if I told you there are tools like Claude AI, ChatGPT, whichever you find there. Once you use this, you will have this feeling right now in this webinar. I give you guarantee. You will feel like you are Chandpe. You are on top of the moon. Hadik, are you serious? Yes, I'm damn serious. And let me show it to you. See this, guys. I will come to this platform, which is tradingview.com. I will just remove all things, which is my setup. See this, guys. Now, Hardik, why you have marked this? I will explain you as well. Why I have marked this. This is called as range, price range. I have marked this, but I will explain you everything. So now, guys, let me just complete that screen. This is the whole screen. This is Nifty 50. I will do a quick comparison, guys. I will do a quick zoom out. Can everyone see my screen? I'm going to start with AI now. Is that a yes? Everyone, yes? Chalo. Tell you. Now I will close the Zoom chat and see this. This is what 90%, I would say 99% ka screen looks like this. So Hardik, what is the difference in your screen? I will zoom in and I will show you the difference. Can you see the difference in my screen, guys? You can also see candlesticks. But the moment I'm going to click one button, you will also see AI in this. Hardik, AI in this, how is that possible? So wait and watch. I will go to indicators and I will write here machine learning, which is my friend across the globe, in the entire globe. This is not Indian platform. This is a global platform. Across the globe, only 19,000 people are using it. I will only click on this and the entire life has changed. Now, can you see the difference between you people 99% and me 1%? See this. I have AI as an indicator. Here it had told me to buy. Here it has told me to sell. On which date? 3rd of October. And now this is not just theoretical gyan. This is not a Baba or some Guru ka session going on. This is a professional trading setup. And just see this. At 3rd of October, AI has given me an indicator to sell. And I've just followed AI. Third of indicator, 3rd of October, it gave us indicator. It does not know that what is going to happen in future, right? But AI has told me to sell. And I've followed this trading strategy and want to see the results. See this. I will come to this platform. This is my account. See this. Hardik Raja account. This is Smart Reports, PNL statement. And I'm going to click on this button and I'm going to select 3rd of October. 3rd of October, till this point, I will click on generate. How much realized profit? This is the profit which is sitting in my bank account. 14 lakh rupees. How much unrealized profit which I have not yet booked? I'm waiting for the right opportunity, which is 34. If we combine both unrealized and realized, a overall PNL of 12%. The people who might be dealing in options, they would understand it in a better way. If you already have an indicator telling you when it is going to fall, you can literally make or print money. Yes, you heard it right. Print money from the markets. And I'm very sad to say this. I feel very sad. You might find me saying it blunt way, but that's the reality. I'm on a mission. I have to do it anyways. People who are 35 plus, 40 plus, 45 plus, 50 plus, I'm very sad to say they don't have a plan. They don't have a passive income. They are literally sitting clueless, going to their job, coming back in a cycle. They are in a loop. And I'm here to change that. I'm here on that mission. And now see apple to apple comparison. I got an indicator at this 4th of October. Here is a price range. Nifty has given a negative return of 6.9% in this range. And see this, guys. If I open my account, where is that? Just a sec. Here it is. Same range, might have a pure 12% profit. So I have made 12% profit in that same range. On top of that, I've saved myself from this negative 7%. So 12 plus negative 7%, which I've saved myself, technically realistic returns are 19%. But you tell me, I'm keeping this to you. You audience, you are the crowd, you are the judge, you are the jury. I keep it on you. What do you prefer for yourself, for your financial freedom, for your journey? Minus 6.93%, or in the same period doing apple to apple comparison. See, this is all website, guys. This is not some platform. This is a private platform. Smart report, trading report, selecting in front of you again, which is like 3rd of October, clicking on generate button. What do you prefer for yourself? 12.7% or negative 7%? Tell it for yourself. Drop your answers. What do you prefer for yourself? 12.7% or negative 7? How many people are now feeling 10x happy that how I have integrated AI in stock trading? Given you with live proof. How many people are traders but they have never seen AI indicators? Hardik, is this machine learning indicator for paid trading view? Kaustubh, you would be shocked to hear it's free of cost. How many people are now feeling 10x drop 10x? This is all free. No charges, no premium softwares. Indicators, good going, bro. 10x, no idea. Now I'm closing the chat box and let me tell the people. This is a machine learning indicator. अभी कुछ नहीं करना है. Now you don't have to do anything. I am giving you the notes. Why you are worrying about this? But see this, guys. What if I told you? I click on this indicator. You just have to search for machine learning. Learning. That's it. Hardik, can I use just this indicator? I would recommend it to apply it with some other indicator as well. So you just write machine learning buy sell. Hardik, can you back test it? Chalo, back test karte. No problem. If you are a professional trader, you want back tested results. See this. I'm going to make it day. See this, guys. Captured this trend. I have personally captured this. Here I got a buy signal on November 16, sell signal on 18 January last year. Here buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. And now if you want to combine it one indicator or your trading setup, I would recommend you go to indicators and search for EMA ribbon by cryptic, the first thing. You will get everything in notes. Chill, my friend, chill. I know you are too much excited. You want it right now, but chill. Everything will be given to you. The screenshot, I will take it and put it in WhatsApp group if you want me to do that. Click on that and you will get trend lines as well. See this double verification. I will show you double verification. Can you see this? Before even AI indicator told me that sell signal, here this AI indicator has already given me red signal. Can you see this red line? Green meant was going upward. The moment it turned red on this candle, it went began down and it's still red. So there is no buying recommendations as of now. In where I'm talking from futures options point of view. See this. Drop crazy. If you have never seen a crazy stuff in 99 rupees. How many people think 99 rupees is fully worth it? Even if you make 1000 rupees, that's 10x. How many people agree? Crazy stuff. Now, how many people want me to make this from 10x to 20x? If you write 20x, I can still help you better. No additional charges, no additional payments. Drop 20x and your life is going to change forever. Now, I have a question. How many of you, as a working professional, let's say, how many people, as a working professional, you are struggling to do fundamental analysis? You don't have the time. You don't have any sort of knowledge, or you're like, Hardik, I'm clueless. I don't come from finance background. How many people are like that? Time issues, hai, knowledge issues, hai, and you're not able to cross verify the information financially. Is that the problem? Chalo, give me a challenge. I'm ready to take a challenge. Name any stock and I do the entire industry analysis, fundamental analysis, stock report in just 5 minutes. Give me a stock. I'm a retired person. No worries. You can still achieve your financial freedom. Okay, I'm getting multiple recommendations. Let me just quickly check it. Okay, I'm just closing the chat box. I've got 100 plus recommendations. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I've got 160 recommendations. And this is the crazy crowd I have. We almost have a 200 people in the house. See this, guys. Pranav is saying Bajaj Finance, Amar Raja Battery, Vinod Rawat is saying Tata Motors, Trend. And see this, guys, you are not alone. 160 people along with you are there on their financial freedom journey with me. So, chalo, let me take Tata Motors, Vinod Rawat, and we are going to go to a chart link. Again, this everything will be provided. I'm going to search for Tata Motors. This is a screener, by the way. Just you have to put up a name. Beginners, see this. This is how your life is going to get easy. Just put up a name. Entire history, geography, background of a company is in front of you. Hardik, so many numbers. I don't know any analysis. I'm a science student. Let's say you're going to say something like that. Let me make your life super duper convenient. Simply click on export to Excel, save the Excel file, open the Excel file, and just let me open it. Just click on enable editing. Once you have P&L, balance sheet, everything in front of you, you don't have to do anything. You just have to follow my prompt formula. Hardik, what is prompt formula? Let me show it to you. I have copied somewhere. I will just show you what is my prompt formula. You will get it exact the same. I'm just copying this prompt for you and see this, guys. Control C, copy the prompt, come on ChatGPT. Hardik, paid version of ChatGPT? No, free version of ChatGPT. Paste this prompt. I will share it in the Zoom chat as well if you want me to share it. Let's read out the prompt. Act as a stock market fundamental analysis expert. This is a job title. People are doing this job. They are going to get replaced by AI within a year or so. Analyze the three given statement, P&L, balance sheet, cash flow of a company called Maruti. You have to change the Maruti to Tata Motors. Tata Motors. And tell me if this is fundamentally sound to investment. We are telling AI to do that. Hardik, how to upload images? Just put up a screenshot. So now this is a P&L of Tata Motors. Take a screenshot like this. Do Control V. Paste it there. Here is a balance sheet. Copy. Paste. Here is cash flow, copy, control C, copy, and paste. Hardik, can we add peer to peer documents? Everything you can add. Everything is here. Documents, financial, right? You can upload PDFs as well if you want. Click on enter. You do your job, my friend. You focus what you're doing on it, and let AI automate your research work, analysis work. And if anyone has any doubts with data accuracy, let me give you a challenge. You do the same thing manually, then use AI to do it in 1 minute and do comparison. Compare all the things which you get. You will not find a single error. Hardik, why? Because this is AI. It does not have emotions. It does not have any human errors. Human can make errors, but this coding system cannot make because it runs on a specific codes. It is algorithm. And if you think this is just wow, let me tell you, this is just tip of the iceberg. But how many people think this is wow? All my dear beginners, working professionals, how many people are just wow right now? Wow, the chat is going bonkers. I can see Aju, Kishore, Prasanna, Pushpa, Sunny, Sanjay. Wow. And let me close the chat and let me show the reality. This is just tip of the iceberg. I have two detailed prompts which I'm going to share with you, which can give you AI driven stock report. See this. You have to just copy the prompt. Every factors, growth metrics, balance sheet, cash flow analysis, dividend, every single thing. You just have to copy the entire prompt, control C, come to chat GPT. I will come on a new chat, paste it, and just starting me, I've given you a bracket, just write anything. So people have suggested me many things, right? Let's say I will open the screenshot. People want me to do a Bajaj Finance ka, or let's say Amar Raja battery or trend. I will write trend. Chalo. Trent, trend. One button. And all this, guys, let me show you the power of prompt engineering in stock market. See this, guys. Entire company overview of trend, West Side and Star Bazaar, industry analysis, quarterly analysis, current ratios, five thing, market valuation, price metrics, PE ratio, profitability and returns, growth metrics, balance sheet ratios, cash flow analysis, dividend analysis, efficiency ratios, valuation metrics, qualitative analysis, business model analysis, management quality, corporate governance, growth strategy, every single thing. Entire report. These reports have been made in the past by analyst, financial analyst. AI is going to replace them within a year. See this. Conclusion. Everything is there. A structured approach. Why this happened? If you have never seen a detailed thing like this, it is all because of magic. And now the main question, Hardik, is it reliable? See this, guys. Read it for yourself in the prompt. I will zoom in. See this, guys. I have given an important note to the AI. Only and only take information from Government of India website or from reports of McKinsey, Deloitte, Crystal, IE. Why? These are the top research firms in India, and outside India, global players. And your job is done. How many people are like, Hardik, this is next level? Drop next level in the Zoom chat. NL, drop NL in the Zoom chat if you think this is next level. Did you ever expect you will find this sort of value in a 99 rupees webinar? How many people want this prompt from my side free of cost in your chat box? After the webinar, I will give it to you. Happy? Can I get a happy in the chat box? Is there anyone who always do economic analysis, GDP analysis, industry analysis? Anyone like that? Drop me in the Zoom chat. Me. Can I tell you that I also have one prompt which can do top-down industry analysis? You just have to write Indian industry. Name any industry right now in the chat box. I will just copy this and give it to you. See this. I will copy this prompt. Control C. See this. People are writing railway, healthcare industry. See this, guys. I will copy this prompt, put it in chat GPT. I just have to write here Indian retail ko hata ke you have to write healthcare industry. Healthcare. And click on enter. Drop wow again in the Zoom chat. If you're ready to do industry analysis, at a click of a button. See this Indian growth, chat GPT history, everything will be given. See this industry analysis in front of you. Wow. Now I'm closing the chat box. And now, guys, how many people agree to this statement before revealing AI? And now we are going to come on AI and automation. We have covered AI. We are going to come on automation. After seeing AI, how many people are feeling like this? They are on the moon. Chand pe hai. Are you feeling on cloud nine? If you are feeling on cloud nine, drop peak in the Zoom chat. Now we are going to reveal the secret framework to make consistent returns from the stock market, which is called as peak framework. Drop peak in the Zoom chat. Peak. Now, see this, guys. Let me give it to you. Peak framework. First thing first, don't be a foolish retail investor. Be a AI driven smart retail investors who can use the same AI and algorithms against these big players. Hardik, how to do that? I've told you how to use technicals like a pro and identify this 1400 traits for yourself. But Hardik, I'm a human. I'm a manual person. How can I find this 1493 traits using exclude the noise charting? Remember this chart link, how to use the scanner, which will be given in a ready-made format. Hardik, what do you mean by ready-made format? I give you a link. You click on that run scan, and you get stocks every day. Hardik, are you serious? I'm damn serious. I've already given it to you. I will give it to you again on top of that. You know what will happen after the workshop? After this 3 hours are over, what will happen? You will, every day, you will click on run scan. You will be just like this Rutvik Shah, who is an equity and option trader. He has posted on LinkedIn. After using this, he had identified so many trades. That means, Hardik, in every market it works? Yes. Reliance Industries, Ishar Motors, everything. And after identifying this 8 trades, which are includes cryptos as well, after applying those logic, he made 41% staggering. Right now, people in the Zoom chat will just have a goal of 15%. But just open your eyes, see the reality, see the world. People are at 41%. Now you might argue, you might tell me, Ardik, he is already a trader. I am a working professional, Ardik. I'm a student. I'm a business owner. Wait for someone called as M. Meet Panchamya. 18-year-old. I stay in Mumbai. He is right beside, there is a college here, NMIMS in Villeparle. I don't know how many people might be knowing it. He's a student there. He has made 33% return in 3 days with all the proofs and screenshots in front of you by using the same trading setup. Now you might tell me, Hardik is a student, he might be having some free time. I'm a working professional or I'm a business owner. My working hours collapse or overlaps with stock market hours. If that is the case, you're going to get a big shock, my friend, because meet Pushpa Raja. Who is he? He's an officer at Federal Bank, a working professional, not just working professional, but a person who is working in bank. Can you imagine that? Banking hours overlaps. It is exactly the same, quite of same with stock market hours. But he has made 30-70% returns in 1.5 months. How the hell? How is that possible? Because these people have find out what works for them and they are doing more of that. And the only difference between those people and you is you still haven't figured it out. You still don't know what is working for you. Once you know what is working for you, you just have to do more of that. And that's how you add a multiple zeros in your bank account number, you add multiple zeros in your portfolio, and you become a multimillionaire, the first multimillionaire of your family. Just imagine, guys, imagine that feeling, you becoming the first multimillionaire of your entire generation, in your entire bloodline. Now, coming to the question that, Hardik, as a business owner, as a student, as a working professional, or as a full-time trader, how these people are able to do it? Because these people have learned automated trading systems for from me. And now If you are in a meeting, if you are a working professional, or if you're a business owner or a full-time trader or a student and you are not available, you are in that meeting, you're doing that client presentation, but still you want to trade in stock markets without quitting your job with limited capital, which can even low as 5 to 10,000. If you want to do that, let me introduce something called as alerts and ATO. Now, Hardik, what is this? What is this alert? It's an automated system. What is this ATO, Hardik? I'm a beginner. So let me explain you what is alert triggered orders. Now, guys, what industry, what stock we have identified for ourselves? If I go back here, it's what is this? It's Kiri industry. I will come to Zerodha. I will search here Kiri. Kiri industry. We have got it. I will add it in our list. Okay. Now we have done our analysis. I will come to chart link. I will see everything is good to go. Breakout happened. You have done your research. You're about, let's say you want to enter here because breakout happened. Our entry point is whenever breakout happened, we buy it. That's a buying signal. And we hold it for the next 5 days. That is our sell signal. Okay. So what you can do is right now, let's say tomorrow you might be in your office. Every modern broker gives you automation services just like this big players have. Big players don't trade manually. Can you imagine? You have 1,000 crores in your fund and you have to invest it manually. Can you do it? It's humanly impossible. So what they do, they set up automations, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So I've added Kiri Industries here. I will click on this three dots and you click on create ATO. Don't go with GTD. That's different. That's not right now what we are learning. You have to go and set up ATO. And the people are confused between both of them. Right now, just follow my instructions. Create ATO, click on that. Don't go with just alert. What you will do of alert? Let's say you're in a client meeting, you got an alert. No use. We want to set up an AI bot automation. So what we are going to do, we are going to click on alert trigger order. As the name suggests, whenever the trigger is going to happen, something is going to happen. And if you're a working professional, let me make it simpler for you. Just imagine this is Excel and this is if formula. So here we are telling this AI bot the if the last price of this Kiri Industries is greater than or equal to this price, or whatever price target you have set for yourself, we can go with 450, right? I will set up here 450. If it's greater than 450 or less than greater than equal to 450 or 451 or whatever the price is, tomorrow when the markets open, I'm setting one trigger that go and search for Kiri industry, buy, let's say 10 quantity, 20 quantity, whatever capital you have. Let's say you want to start with 4,500. That's the capital you have. Select 10 stock, click on add to basket and click on create. Your job is done. So Hardik, does it mean if tomorrow I'm not available, I'm sleeping, I'm in my meeting, I'm traveling, I'm commuting, my net is not there, still because of all these reasons, irrespective of those reasons, it's this going to happen automatically? Yes. You do not have to open your mobile phone, you do not have to open your trading setup, nothing. And this is what professionals do one night before. You don't have to take accurate trades until unless you are a full-time trader properly, you're a working profession, you're a business owner or a student. Use these automations. Hardik, is it available in my broking platform? Check with your broking platform. Zero Dam, it's there in Grow and all the modern age brokers, Upstock. And if you're someone who's going to tell me, Hardik, I use HDFC, Kotak, ICICI, Dhan, this, that, you check with your broker. If you don't have an account, create one in Zerodha free of cost, like 300 rupees minimal thing is there. But you get this sort of functionalities and feature for free of cost. All the busy working professionals, how many are feeling shock over so many years? Right now, you might be 30, 35, 40, 45, over so many years. You have missed on this precious opportunity. How many people are feeling like, Hardik, why didn't you meet me earlier? Are you feeling that feeling right now after looking all of this cool stuff? How many people are feeling like that? Why didn't you meet me earlier? Regrets? Shock? I'm feeling like that, bro. I'm 56. Oh my god. No words. And now, if I close this, guys, what if I told you everything is done the moment you click on create, the moment you do your set automation is done, done and dusted. And after this, Hardik, what do you have to do? You have to just follow and enjoy people like Simran. You will get notifications. Buy ho gaya. You will see your enable things are done with alerts and ATU. And that is where your automated system work is done. But the most important thing is still left in the framework. Hardik, what's that? It's killing the risk. Risk, let me tell you guys, if you don't know anything about anything, like, and not just with respect to stock market, but in general in life, let me give you an example. If you're driving a car but you don't know how to drive a car, it's risky. Obviously, if you don't know how to cook and you're cooking, it's risky. Yes, it can something happen with the gas and or anything, right? It's risky. If you're riding a bicycle, if you don't know, it's risky. If you don't know how to swim and you're going to jump into the ocean, it's risky. Similarly, if you don't know how the stock market works, what are the frameworks, and you jump on that, it's risky. People call it gambling, people call it risky because they don't know what a stock market is. It's a financial instrument to make sure that your money is working for you even you are sleeping. So right now I will go to sleep, my money is working for me, creating more money for me. And that should be the case with you people as well. That is what is going to help you achieve financial freedom. Now the question is, Hardik, how do we kill the risk with MBA? Let me tell you. M stands for moving beyond mediocrity. Please push yourself, push yourself to attend this sort of webinars, this sort of events. Meet with people like me. Hardik, what will happen? You will get a different perspective to your life. There are people here who are 50, 50 plus, 40 plus, but they didn't know all of this is available for free. They joined this webinar at 99 rupees. They learned from me. They got some new ideas from me. And now they are going beyond their mediocrity level, their average level where people might not be knowing about it. The next thing is, I've shown you how to remove your emotions, whether it be a fear of emotion, whether it be a greedy emotion, how to remove emotions from your trading and follow a systematic and emotionless trading setup. AI does not have any emotions. It's better to rely on AI compared to humans. Humans can change, right? And the last thing, which will be very, very new learning for you, which I will start with a question. Before I reveal the last element, I want to ask you a question. Who is your role model in your life? Who is your inspiration? It can be anyone. It can be a business owner. It can be an entrepreneur. It can be, let's say, your coach, or let's say it can be your mentor, or a Mukesh Ambani or Virat Kohli. Kuch bhi. Any name you get it in your head, I'm going to ask you a follow up question. For example, now let's say you have got Virat Kohli in your head. Ask one question to yourself. Does that guy who is your inspiration or role model have a mentor in life? If the answer is yes, this is where you are wrong. Because we have a ego, we have an attitude, we think we can learn anything from anywhere. Just ask this question to yourself. If everything you can learn for free from YouTube, why you are not making money? Why you are not a multimillionaire? This is a simple fact which people don't understand, that you should always have a mentor in your life, not just in trading, I'm telling in general. You should have a career coach, you should have a life coach, a relationship coach, you should have a trading mentor. And if you think that all this which I've created is on my own, let me tell you with utmost honesty, it's not. I have two mentors in trading. One helps me with capital management, and one helps with me trading experience. That guy has a trading experience of 15 plus. I have 4 years. That guy is 15. 11 years plus experience is giving me. And that's what happened when you have a mentor. How many people with utmost honesty tell me bulp on moment hai? Is that a bulp on moment? That you have your inspirations, you have your role models. But those people have coaches in order to make them better. Mukesh Ambani has a coach, his professor. God of cricket, Sachin Tendulkar, who's called as God of cricket, has a mentor in life to make him better cricketer, a better best batsman. Drop BO in the chat box if you got that bulb on moment. That having a mentor makes your life easy. And it has been said again and again in our scriptures as well that you should always have a guru. Bulb on. Perfect. Bulp on, be accepted, bulp on movement. I don't have a mentor. Can you become my mentor? Yes, definitely I can help you. But how many people have got the peak framework right? Can you drop peak in the Zoom chat if you have got all the four boxes correct? Peak. And now, guys, if I'm your guru, right? I'm your mentor for this 3 hours, and my responsibility that I have to take a pause right now and I have to make sure that I make you understand before we go with further learnings, your bonuses, AI and automation, all this, before we jump to more advanced stuff. It's my responsibility. It's my duty to help you understand that so far in just around 1 hour 45 minutes, that's 8:45 right now, 1 hour 45 minutes, what you have achieved in your life. You have got yourself, like you have literally separated yourself from that crowd which is in the rat race, those 90% people or keep falling on those tropes of big operators, and they are losing their savings, their life savings, their hard earned money. They are taking money from other people, taking loans and investing in the stock market. They're fooling themselves. You're now not one of them. Now you know how the six figures profitable traders like me use layering to get separated from themselves from this 90% loss making people. Now you know how to build a trading system using 125 days breakout strategy. But Arthik, are we going to trade on this? No, because we know how the stock market works. We know what is the reality, what is the dark truth of stock market. So what we are going to do, we are going to see layering. And by doing that, we have learned one more strategy which is going to give you a proven 19% year on year return, proven historically, adding 2x volume based layering. But are we going to get satisfied for 19%? Is it something going to help us achieve financial freedom? The answer is no. So I think what we are going to do, we are going to add one more layer and increase our chances to 33% CAGR returns. You're going to get the links, you will get the back tested results. You can cross verify things on your own. And not just that, guys. After all of this, after understanding the markets and how it works, we jump to something which most of the professional traders also don't know, which is AI and automation in stock trading, starting with leveraging ChatGPT or Claude AI to do your fundamental analysis. Hardik, what is Claude AI? It's just like ChatGPT. If you want to do it on ChatGPT, we did it on ChatGPT. You can also do it on ChatGPT. If you want to use Claude AI, you can. Like both are similar. There is like apple to apple comparison. Next, we learned how to exclude the noise by using no code scanners. Remember no code scanners? One click, what to trade, it's in front of you. How to cross verify, you will get everything with respect to that stock. It will give you breakout, volume will be there, RSI will be there, news will be there, the profits have gone up, or well, some good news about the company will be there. And then we have seen how to use AI indicators. How many people loved AI indicators? AI indicators telling you when to buy, when to sell, and every learning, guys, keep this thing in mind. Every learning I've not just taught you, I've practically shown you how I've applied it for myself. So it's not a theoretical session. It's a practical workshop where I shown you how I've used the same technology, same thing for myself. I'm not someone out of this world. I'm using the same thing to make money. I'm just sharing it with you because I have achieved my financial freedom. And then how to use ATO, alert trigger orders. If you're a busy working professional, have meetings, have presentations, go in and attend them, my friend. Create automations and let AI and automation do the work for you. And last thing which we have learned so far at this point of the workshop, I hope everyone has got it, that how you kill the risk by having a mentor. A mentor can tell you, what if I told you, all the beginners, you are lucky people. I've already shown you how you're not going to lose money in the stock market. So have you understood why having a mentor is important in your life? And if you have gone everything, if you have achieved everything, like 2 3 learnings are excluding in this, but if I have to take 9 learnings, tell me with utmost honesty, 99 rupees is the cost of this webinar. Is 99 rupees worth it if a single learning is worth your 11 rupees? This is the same price you don't get a Cadbury burger or pizza nowadays. Is it VFM in the Zoom chat? Value for money. What's your take? Let me know in the chat box. Is it VFM in the Zoom chat so far? It's priceless. Oh my god, the people are professional traders. They understand the content which I'm providing for 99 rupees. They are telling it's way more than that. People are dropping 10x, 10x in the Zoom chat. How many people think it's 10x? It's worth 10x. Crazy, crazy. I can see Raju, Gail, Sunesh, Pratesh, 100x, 200x. My god, people are writing multiple zeros and x. Now, close the I will close the chat box and let me help you with something better. Let me help you and let me ask you some questions as your mentor, as your guru for this session. Now, do you understand? And these are the questions you need to retrospectively think about yourself. Have you understood the potential after attending this webinar so far? Have you attended and understood? Oh my God, I didn't even know about the potential of this automated AI assistant stock trading setups, which can tell you when to buy, when to sell, what is the volume, everything, and how it can be massively profitable. I've shown you my profits to you. Now, do you understand how a stock trading strategy with massive returns can help you build generational wealth with a limited capital? 99% of you are just thinking to become rich, but I'm here to explain you how to use these strategies to become wealthy. Think about legacy, think about generational wealth, think not just think about your children's to come but their children's and their children's. That is how the top people think. That's the reason they have created billions and billions of dollars as wealth, because they are not just thinking about becoming rich or buying a car or a house and just getting satisfied by uploading pictures on social media. That is not how the wealthy thinks. And the third thing, which is like the problem with 99% people in India, only 1% people knows it right, their accurate financial plan. I hope I've helped you to understand that 15% mutual fund strategy which you are doing, which you are using to build your wealth, or which you are building for your retirement, for your children, for any point of thing, is not going to help you achieve financial freedom. And if you have watched that YouTube video or those YouTube financial gurus who tell you invest 15,000 for 15 years for some other thing and you will make 1 crore, let me tell you, go on ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, what is the present value of money of 1 crore today? You will get an answer of 13 lakh, considering Indian inflation. So you're doing so much sacrifice. You're not buying things that you love. You're doing some vacation ka sacrifice. You're doing so much sacrifice for what? 13 lakh rupees after 15 years. You won't even able to buy a proper house in tier 1, tier 2 cities. So it doesn't make sense to go with those things blindly. Those are called as blind investments. That is not how it works. You need to get returns about 30% in mutual fund as well. And how to do that? Using alpha nifty strategy. But that's something for later. We'll discuss it later. But I hope everyone has got it. Can I get a super duper big yes? A yes with multiple S's. Have you got the 3 points corrected? Have I helped you to make you understand why financial freedom journey is quite different from what you think? But sadly, it's not taught in our schools and colleges, so that's the reason we don't know. Hadi, can you please share a roadmap with me? How many people want a roadmap? Drop roadmap in the Zoom chat. Do you want me to give you a roadmap for financial freedom? At any age, 30, 40, 50, does not matter. Do you want to know what are the things you need to fix in your life? I can see few people are dropping roadmap. If everyone will drop, then only I'm interested in telling you, or else I'm not interested. So if you write roadmap, then only I will share it with you, or else I'm not interested. Okay, got it. That's great. And now people are participating. Now I will close the chat box and I will write roadmap. Since you have written, so I can see Sandeep, Raghuvendra, Santosh, Atin, Banerjee, Sapna, Raval, everything. Everyone has written roadmap. So now, guys, irrespective of your age, the financial freedom journey does not depend on your age, but it depends on multiple factors. What is your income? What is your loan? Like, what are the loans on your head? Do you have any education loan? Do you have any home loan? Do you have any vehicle loan? What is your risk appetite? What do you mean by that? Are you a risk averse person? Can you take more risk in your life, or you cannot? What are your budgeting goals look like? What is your midterm goal? What is your long term goal? What is your short term goal? It can be buying a house, or let's say buying a car can be a short term goal. So there are multiple factors. So the roadway to financial freedom, when I say financial freedom, guys, I don't always talk about money, because achieving financial freedom at the age 25, I've understood a different thing. I've got a different perspective of life. Financial freedom is not truly about money. You will tell me, Hardik, it's about money. But let me tell you, let's say you achieve your financial freedom at the age of 65. Is it worth it to buy your favorite car or house at age 65? If you had an option to buy the same thing at, let's say, age 45 or 40 or 50, what we would choose? Obviously the second option, right? That's the reason the real financial independence not just come with money but time. But since we have multiple age groups here, the people are younger also, the people here are older as well. So I'm going to talk about pillars of financial freedom that you need to fix in your life in order to achieve your financial freedom in the fastest way possible, irrespective of your profession, age, or capital you have. The first thing is master personal finance. Now you are going to ask me, Hardik, what do you mean by that? Exactly. Personal finance is a taboo topic in India. People within their families, husband, wife, or let's say children with their father, or let's say with their mother, people don't discuss about building wealth inside their family. People don't know what insurance policies to buy. And the most sad news is, do you know there are non-public available personal finance hacks which are guaranteed to finance your 23% of expense. So if you're, let's say you're just like me staying in Mumbai, top tier one city, or let's say Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, any Ahmedabad, any kind of a city where the standard of living is high, you can finance your 23% of expenses using non-available public hacks. Now you might ask me, Adik, is it possible? I've been doing it. Whatever told you, I never create a budget when I go to trip. Because you have achieved financial freedom? No, that's not the point. Because I know how to use personal finances, how to like take advantage of loopholes in the financial system. For example, I use credit cards to finance my trips without actually paying for it. Hardik, how is that possible? I will show you the results as well. So these are many things. This is the first core pillar of your life that you need to fix ASAP, as soon as possible. The next thing is, which I'm pretty much sure 99% of you are clueless about it. As per the statistics, 96% of population in India are dependent on a single source of income. That means the moment recession comes, the moment the layoffs will begin to happen, these people won't have any source of income because they are dependent on salary or a single source of income. Business owners depends on business and irrespective of various profession. It's sad to see that people haven't understood the power of multiple source of income. Hardik, are you talking about two jobs? No. I'm talking about you generating some additional money without quitting your job, or your money working on behalf of you to bring more money from the market. That's the second thing which 99% of you are clueless. And as per the stats, 96% people are dependent on single source of income. You need to fix that for yourself again ASAP, as soon as possible. There is no way out. Apart from this, there is no way out. And the third thing, which is again very sad to see, because the people who are sitting at the top are getting more richer. The people who are at the middle or bottom, they are going down. Why? Because people are not understanding wealth. People understand how to become rich. People understand how this rich quick scheme works. If someone is telling you are going to get wealthy in the next, let's say, 3 months, that's not going to happen. If someone is going to tell you it's you are going to get rich in the next 1 month, that's not going to happen, because people don't understand wealth. Wealth is a long term game. You need to have systems, you need to have procedures in order to build wealth. And there are many wealth secrets which like general public does not know. That's the reason that's keeping them poor, that's not allowing them to become part of this top 1% crowd which knows all those secrets which are there in their circle itself. So once you fix these three pillars, I give you complete assurity, guarantee, 100,000% guarantee, you will definitely achieve your real time and financial independence. But let me prove my point by asking this question. Is there a single person who has their roadmap clear like this with multiple pillars? What to do, how to do? Is that a single person like that? Or 99% people are going to say no? What's your thing? Let me know. How many people have never understood their financial life from this point of view? And I'm telling you, there is nothing wrong. You are not wrong. You don't have to feel guilty, my friend. It's because of our education system. Has anyone seen this kind of thing in their school, in their college, in their working place? And that's the problem. No one is speaking about finances, which is the major part of our life. Nobody talked about it. No. Tired or tried of making passive income but lost because you have half knowledge. As sake, Azaz sake. Yes, we read. Hadi, can you help me with this plan? How many people want help? Drop help in the Zoom chat. If you are someone who's writing help, then only I can help you because I have a solution, I can give it to you. But are you someone who's seeking help with these three pillars? I give you 100% assurity and guarantee I can fix all the three pillars with you. And not just me, but my mentors can also help you. The people who have 100 crores as their net worth, the people who have 15 years of trading experience, the people who have been there and done that. But do you want help? Is that help in the Zoom chat, or else I'm not interested? Is that a help in the Zoom chat? I'm a retired person. Can you help any person with any age group, any capital? So if you are ready to help, guys, in 20, if you are looking for help, I'm going to help you. No worries. Listen to me closely. If there is anyone who's looking for a help, we have a exclusive event, a 3-day event backed by 100% money back guarantee. You have zero risk, my friend. But in this 3-day financial freedom event, which is the last event of 2024, happening on 29th, 30th, and 1st of December, that's a 3-day straight event every day post working hours, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. But Hardik, this is total 9 hours. Oh my god. What we achieve in 9 hours, and you would be shocked to hear that. You achieve all your pillars, your pillars will be sorted. Hardik, how? First, personal finance will be sorted. Profitable investment strategies will be given to you so you can grow your money much faster than compared to average people in India. You learn equity trading 101. Hardik, I don't have an account. I'm a beginner. Right fit. You are the right fit if you're a beginner. You learn equity trading 101 starting from basics up to the advanced level. Once you complete that, on day 2 we help you with future and options. Hardik, why future and options? Isn't it risky? The real wealth that we have built for ourselves is through future and option, because there you can use minimum capital of 5 to 10,000 to make massive profits. And I'm not just the one. You can Google it. There are people like Rakesh Junjunwala, Radha Kishan Damani, founder and owner of Demart. You can search for Nilesh Shah, managing director at Kotak Securities. They started as traders and now they are billionaires. They use trading to build more capital, invest in mutual funds and alpha nifty strategies to build more wealth. That's the same thing I'm doing, my friend. I'm not doing anything different. I've shown you the results. And then building automated systems. Why it's important? Because in this event we have business owners, we have working professionals, we have full-time traders, we have students. All four of them are super busy and occupied, so we have built automated systems done for you. But Hardik, what about wealth generation? All the six things will be hand holded. So if you're 58, you're 50 plus, we will be hand holding you from point A to point B. All of this is an exclusive event. It's not available for everyone. That means, Hardik, all the people have written help. Can we help them? Can me and my mentors help you? The answer is no. So, Hardik, who is this for? So, we are on a mission to help people in India who are struggling with any of the six problems. If you have any of one six problems, you are qualified for the event, or else you are not qualified for the event. The first thing is, you want to buy a house, or you're already struggling with loans like something called as home loan, or you want to buy a house in top tier 1, top tier 2 city without EMI. And let me remind you guys, you're going to buy a house on EMI. That is not going to make you wealthy, and you're not going to own that house for a longer period. And if you don't believe me, just don't pay your 4 to 5 EMIs. You will come to know who owns the house, you or the bank. The next thing is, anyone, the 93% of people in India are under debt, any sort of debt. It can be credit cards, it can be home loan, it can be wedding loan, it can be vehicle loan, it can be educational loan, marriage loan. 10 different types of loan are there. Any one of you who is in debt, I give you complete assurity and guarantee with 100% money back guarantee that I help you to come out of debt 10x faster with the hacks which have been there, done that, and I've helped hundreds of people in the previous financial event. This is the last event, and if you're not available in this event, we have the next event in the next year first month. So if you are not even available on those dates, no problem, recording will be shared and you can attend the next event as well for free of cost. But the idea is you should be having one of those problems. The third problem is anyone who is a working professional but a senior working professional who is looking to quit his job. He has made his money, but he wants to create a proper financial system for him where he quit his job and the active income is going to stop. But from there onwards, he should be having passive income coming in flow. So that's the number three category. Number four category, anyone who's going to have an inspiration like me, who wants to have, who has aspiration to go on unbudgeted trips, not just for himself or herself, taking her or his family, parents, children's on a unbudgeted trips, then this is for you. Anyone who's trying to build a retirement corpus from for themselves, or anyone who's a younger person here who wants to build a retirement corpus for their father or a mother, then you are the right fit for the program, for the exclusive event which is going to happen virtually, but you can have, you like, attend it from the comfort of your home, my friend. And the last is anyone who has made their money and they want to manage their money in a way where they get forever mental peace, or anyone who is in an active job trying to go on a do a job change or a job switch, you can choose this as a option for yourself. All the six things, if you have one of them, you're automatically qualified for the next thing. The next qualification requirement for this event is you need to be, who can be part of it, you need to be a complete beginner with no prior trading experience. But Hardik, I'm a full time trader. Can I be part of it? Yes, you can. But the first priority preference will be given to beginners because in the past events, the people who had zero knowledge, working professional, hai, beginner, hai, student, hai, who had zero knowledge, they have generated crazy amount of profits, which I'm going to show you right now with live proofs as a beginner. So that's the first priority. The second priority is the people who are misleading themselves. Hardik, what do you mean by that? The people who are mutual fund investors, SIP investors, they are doing SIPs, they are doing sacrifices in the hope that they are going to achieve their financial freedom someday. Let me show you the reality and let me help you to correct it. Right now, whatever wrong you have done it, forget it, no problem. But from now onwards, here is the chance, here is the opportunity. This can be a universe signal for you. You need to identify this can be a God signal for you. Just imagine you are at this place, I'm at this place, you are at the right time, I'm in front of you. So there should be some sense of signals, right? Where you need to identify. So this is the second category, second preference people. Third preference people, anyone who's already an investor or a trader or an active investor, you can definitely join this and improve your game with the nifty option trading, future trading strategies, which I'm going to show you in this particular 3 day event. Completely exclusive event, recordings will be given to you for lifetime. The fourth is, again, as I said, a working professional, a senior professional with years of experience looking to change a career or quit the job. This is the fourth preference for the people. All these four categories in one thing is common: your age, your profession, and the most important, capital size does not matter. Because across 3 days events, you get so many strategies where you can make money as per the capital you have. And once your capital will start growing, you will invest those capital across multiple strategies to change the life for you. And the best part, this 3 transformational days with us will be on a Zoom call. So we can handhold you, we can make sure that you're practicing along with us, you're creating your setups with us, since it's for a limited people only, it's not for everyone. Day one will be complete focused for clearing your personal finance. Debt hai will help you to get out of debt. Any other thing about personal finance or passive investment strategies. Day one ends with a proper Q&A session 101. It ends with all the things in a recorded format and given to you. Then we move to day two. Day two will be about equity strategies, future and option strategies. Again, Q&A will be solved, recordings will be provided. Day three will be about profitable mindset change and wealth creation frameworks to whatever, like you learn how to manage money, you learn how to grow your money, but how to create wealth out of it, that's going to happen on day 3 with recordings. And as I said, Hardik, will that be for limited time? The answer is a big no. Recordings, proven strategies with back tested data, Excel files, links, and automated trading systems. Everything, the combined package with lifetime access to the recordings. And if you're excited for the event, which is on starting on day 1, where you master personal finance and profitable investment strategies, learn how to grow your money, live the king size by non-public hacks. And I'm going to show you screenshots. You will be like, your eyes will pop out by seeing this non-public hacks, which is sadly not available to 99% people because they are not aware of it. And become, get out of debt 10x faster. It can be home loan, car loan, personal loan, educational loan, this loan, credit card bills, and whatnot. Any sort of loan, we help you to get out of that. It's happening on 29th of November. As I said, you can still register for this event if you're not available, because you get the recordings. And point number 2, you can get the different event dates for free of cost if you are registered for this event as well. It's going to happen post working hours, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. But now, see for yourself. On day 1, we start this thing, we start the event with something called as budget. Building your asset allocation strategy, budget allocation strategy. Why, Hardik? Because as I said, there will be 4 categories of people with different capital requirement, different age group, different background, different debt on that. After considering all your requests at one place, every single one of you on day 1 itself first get your asset allocation planner, which is aligned, let me tell you, which is aligned with your financial freedom roadmap. So we will identify what is your age, what is the capital you can invest, how much money you will make, how much money you will invest, in which sectors you will invest, in which assets you will invest, how much risk you can take, how much risk you cannot take, what are your mid-term goals, what are your long-term goals, what are your short-term goals, everything as learning number 1. If you're already happy, just wait and watch. We have 12 learnings and this is just one. It gets better and better. Do you want to see what's next? The next is, get our reverse Nifty 50 strategy, which has given past returns every year on year 54.9%. And let me tell you one shocking fact. If any of these numbers does not match with the strategies which we give to you, with the strategies, with the backtested results and data which you can cross verify on government websites, you get your 100% money back. So that is what I'm saying. Just imagine, on day 1, you already in the learning number 2 itself, you already have a strategy which is proven to give you 54% return. That means if you have right now as your savings 10,000, it compounds to 15,000. If you have 1 lakh, it compounds to 1.5 lakh. If you have 1 CR, in 1 year, it compounds to 1.5 CR. That is the power of this Nifty reverse 50 strategy. It's not publicly available. Next thing is, 3 hacks to get out of any debt in the entire world, home loan, credit card, anything. And you know what are the 3 shocking facts you are going to learn here? How to reduce your loan tenure for any loan up to 23% smartly. How to reduce your interest of any loan up to 30%. And leveraging smart levers which your bank or the company which has given you loan does not want you to know, to eliminate all the bad debt you have in your life. After this, there are so many people in the past who were like, Hardik, this was a life changing experience for me. Hardik, I was so stressed, I was about to go in depression. There are people come with these statements. We have helped them to get out of debt 10x faster. Then after learning number 3, learning number 4 will be showing you the other side of the world, how the rich people are leveraging non-publicable hacks to make their life better. Hardik, what is that? Credit card loophole that a common people can even use, but they don't know how to use it. What's that? You can fuel up your 23% of monthly expenses using credit card without paying a single rupee. Is it possible? Let me show you screenshots. I have 4 credit cards right now, and credit card companies are going to kill me for this because I'm revealing it to every single average person out there. This is just for the big people out there. See this. You can have 4 to 5 credit cards. Any person can have it. I have it for Axis Bank, HSBC Bank, HDFC Bank, and Standard Chartered. I just keep on rolling money. And what I do, I've accumulated points. 43 lakh points here, 23 lakh points here, 2 lakh something here, 1 lakh here. What I do, I use this free points which I've accumulated over 50 lakhs right now to finance my hotel stays, to finance my air flights. I want to show you with screenshots. My flight from London to Mumbai, 25,000, just 35,000, 25,000 points utilized. Unbudgeted trips. Do not have to think too much about flights, their prices, hotel stays, nothing. You have free money glitch. It's a money glitch in the metrics where you can make more money. See this, Mumbai to Malaysia, taking my family members along with me, taking my friends along with me without worrying about money. And it's not just that I have so much capital or I have so much net worth. You can also do it. You just need to understand the loopholes and leverage it accordingly. And this is just day one and see the results of the FFA learning already. There are people who are students and there are people who are working professionals. They have seen Hardik, it's 10x the value. Just like this workshop felt 10x with 100% money back guarantee that your money is secure, my friend. I don't want to like take away your money. If you get the learnings, you pay or you don't. That is how the life is going to become simple. 10x money. Develop confidence to trade successfully as a working professional. Sahil Shah. Develop into a sense of confidence and opportunity. What truly sets the program apart is their unwavering commitment. Remember, I told you it's for limited people, hand holding practices, done for you services, trading systems. This is the result of that FFA learnings. And not just that, guys, there are people who is telling it was the best decision of my life because she is a housemaker. She has started to contribute in a family. So if you have some homemakers in your house who think they can also learn this and apply this, make sure you bring them to the event as well. Invaluable investment, highly recommended to everyone. The 3 day FFA concluded by Jeff sir and Jatan sir, who are my mentors along with me. Invaluable investment for anyone serious about trading and highly recommended for traders at any level, pro level, beginning level, anything. And just day one. Day two is all about proprietary equity, futures, and option trading. And the moment you hear this, and if you think you are a beginner, let me show you what you get as a beginner, how you apply it, and once there are people who have applied it as a beginner, complete beginner, forget about pro traders, how they are able to achieve financial freedom as a beginners as well. You will see that and see this. The first learning on day two, again post working hours. Again, if you're not available on day two, you can go through the recording or else you can request a free batch transfer. Build your own trading setup live with handhold practice. So, Hardik, the number of attendees in this virtual event, every single one of them create their own setups. Yes, that are going to be your printing machine, money printing machine for the rest of your life. So you understand how we step by step hand holding on you building your trading systems, how to use volume price action to screen stocks, and reducing your research time to 15 minutes in a day every way possible. This is just learning number one on day two. Then we have learning number six, which is technically learning number two on day two, which is FII equity strategy. Before I say anything about this strategy, let me ask you one question. Like how much capital you have for investment or a trading? 5,000, 10,000, 15,000 at max, or let's say 20,000, or let's say if you have more than that, fine. But I am pretty much sure 110% there won't be a single person in this meeting right now who would be having a trading capital of 5,000 crores or 10,000 crores to make an investment. You would be like, Hardik, that's not possible. But in stock markets, there are people which are called as foreign institution investors who invest in one shot 500 crores, 1,000 crores, 5,000 crores in a matter of a seconds. And Hardik, how they are able to do it? Forget about how they are able to do it. Understand, if someone is able to invest 5,000 crore in a particular company, don't you think they would be knowing everything in and out about the company, the promoters, the backgrounds of financial check? What if I told you there is a secret way where you can get this information, which is again available publicly, but many people don't know, and applying a secret strategy on top of that to make 39% annual returns? Guaranteed 100% money back on this as well. You see that strategy, you backtest it for yourself, you use it for yourself as well. You will get annualized 39% returns by just using this. Not doing any hard work, not doing any of your not taking any mental stress, no manual trading, nothing, just following the strategy, which is an equity by the way, my friend. Then we move to something called as big bull futures. The big players in the market who always make money in the stock market, who have dominated markets for over the years now, we are going to use their future trading strategy, which is giving us staggering returns of 657 across 5 years. Can you imagine that there is a strategy which can literally give you more than 100% return every single year on an average? It's just crazy. And if you don't get this as well, your money is back 100%. You don't have to worry about your money, zero risk. The next thing we are going to get is a weekly nifty ATM option trading strategy, which has again given a proven results of 452%. And if you think, Hardik, why the hell you are going to share this with me? Because I have already shared, I've already shown you, I've achieved my financial freedom. What else I can do rather than coming on a mission and helping people like you? And if you have any doubts, your money is safe with money back guarantee. But at least come to the event, at least go beyond mediocrity, at least come to people and see how people are changing their lives and change your life too. And this is just day two. And do you want to see the results with live screenshots with people like working professionals or students or people who are business owners? Let me show it to you. See this. Stopped applying WhatsApp and Telegram tips. A live screenshot. There are people, Ravi Kiranji, working professional, made 1,18,000 in 3 weeks. How many of you working professionals have their monthly salary onwards of 1 lakh? If not the case, this can be you. You can be the next Ravi. The people who are worried about people who like, Hardik, can I do intraday? Can I do option trading? See, all the results are in front of you. Manoj Kumarji, again a working professional, made 50,000 rupees in a single trade. Then there are someone called as Pyol Jidus ji, a person who's again a working professional leveraging options. Why? Because now he has made a decent capital by using a strategy. Now using an option strategy to take the leverage and made option trading by 1,60,000. Profit is in front of you. Screenshot is in front of you. And if you're worried that Hardik, I'm a student, I'm a business owner, there are people like you also. See this. People, my current Zerodha, and this is the real game, guys. They have moved beyond mediocrity. Can you read this? After looking at today's success stories, further motivated. Just imagine you are part of a group where every now and then people are telling, I made 40,000, I made 50,000. And you are on a job where you have to work for 30 days just to make 30,000. Don't you feel you will feel inferior? You will feel motivated that I have to do something with my life. I also want to earn 40,000, 50,000 in a day, four figures, five figures in a day. And if you are looking to have a mentors who can help you build that, who has been there, done that, and helped others, this is your chance. And again, I'm saying it's backed by money back. 100%, no terms and condition, no star mark, no question ask, money back if you don't achieve all of this. And day three is all about integration for wealth generation. What is day three? Whatever you learn on day one about personal finance, whatever you learn on day two about stock trading journey, we combine all of them to build a generational wealth. Hardik, what is that? That's the third pillar which will be happening on 1st of December. Not available, take the recording. Not available on this dates but want to attend live, get the next batch in the same price. 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Integration for successful wealth creation. First is to fix your mindset towards profit, rewiring your brain for profit mindset. Very important. Hardik, why? Because trending your mind to meet your life goals is a very important thing to do, or else you won't be able to do it. Eliminating the three elements of emotion based trading. If you have started to make money, what if you become more greedy? You put all your eggs in one basket, you will lose. So we need to remove our emotions. That is how you build wealth. And then we move to mastering three circles of financial ikigai. Ikigai is the most successful concept in the world of Japanese with respect to life. We have integrated the same concept in trading, investment, and financial planning. And we are going to help you understand how we can understand this Ikigai is applied in finance, how to connect the principles in the world of finance, and how to use this four-step process to conquer all the three circles for yourself, the most important thing. And if you don't achieve any of this, your money is back. Four secrets to financial prosperity. Sadly, These are the secrets cannot be revealed to those 99% people who are not going to join the event. The top 1% who are wish, who has the aspiration, ambition to become 1%, they are only going to join the event. So this four things will be revealed to you on day 3. The 99% people never knows about it. They were never heard about it. And the last, anyone who's a working professional, which is like majority of the crowd here, we help you to break you free from the shackles of your job, become independent. And there are people who have been there and quit their job after achieving a sense of financial success in our cohort batches. And not just that, guys, this 12 amazing learnings, which I call it as a life changing learnings, because there are people who have changed their life with the learnings, will be given to you across 3 days with money back guarantee, and there will be recordings provided to you. But as I said, top 1% who are action takers, I want to talk to them because I'm going to reward them. I'm going to give them some reward which will be just like feel unreal to you. Why, you know? Because you will be early birds. You're someone who is serious about your career. You're someone who wants to change your situation. You want to achieve that financial freedom. So I give you some bonuses if you're part of first 25 people. First 25 people get my two proprietary option strategies proven to give 31% year on year returns. Hardik, what if I want to buy it separately? You need to pay 12,000 for, but for first 25 people, it's included for the program with the event for free of cost. So here a technical 12,000 ka saving is done for you. Bonus number two, where we ourselves, as our investment firm, have invested crores of rupees. How many crores? 9.5 crores totally across sectors. We are going to give you a detailed research report which people charge for 11,000, given to you as a first 25 participant, included for free. So technically right now you have saved your 23,000 rupees just by staying in the first 25 people, top 1% crowd. And the third thing is getting your top 1% investing strategy, which I call it as alpha nifty mutual fund strategy, where in the falling market as well, crores of rupees we have used this proprietary strategy to generate returns which are at least maximum compared to nifty. Nifty will give you 12%, 15%. It will give you 3 to 7% more than nifty. If nifty has given 15% ka return, with back tested data you can check it for yourself, it will give you 22% return. That's 7% more, 3 to 7% more. Hardik, what if I want to buy this separately? 7,400 included for the first 25 participant only for free of cost. Not for everyone, but for the first 25 people only. And the next bonus, which will prove that we are on a mission to achieve financial freedom, to help people achieve financial freedom in India, is this starts with the action takers. Secret day 4. Hardik, what do you mean by that? So the event is not for 3 days, it's for 4 day. But the first 25 people will only and only get access to day 4. Hardik, why is that the case? Because these people are serious. On day 4, you will get exclusive VIP ticket, a separate ticket for day 4 to attend it on 2nd of December. And again, yes, it will be recorded, but it will be shared with those 25 people only. Why, Hardik? Because in the secret day 4, you get 1, 2, 3 plus day 4 only for VIP. So, Hardik, what is the value of this? Can I buy this separately? Yes, you can buy this separately, but the charges will be 3,500. But if you want to get it for free, this fourth event card ticket, you can be part of it by the first 25 people. So, the offer is quite simple. You get exactly what I've said, or you get your money back. Even if a single thing is not delivered to you with back tested proven data, your money will be 110% refunded. You can see there is no asterisk mark. And if you think why I'm so sure about this, let me hear from my students who've been there and done that. I've helped them. Omkar Ekandi, working professional earning more than the salary just 3 months ago. As a working professional, just like as Sagan said, we always look for ways to increase my income, but never had a time to deep dive into stock trading. This course changed everything for me. Search teaching has been, I've been able to earn more than my full-time salary without spending hours in front of screen. And you might be guessing that, Hardik, why still working? See this. It's almost surreal to think that soon and I might be in a position to quit my job and trade full time. The freedom and the confidence I've gained are incredible, and I can't recommend this course enough. 2nd of June. Yamin Mistry, a student, making consistent profit about 2 lakhs. And if you think how a student can make it, you have seen my results. Have you ever imagined someone can make so much amount of wealth at age 25 and achieve financial freedom? I've been there, I've done that, I've helped others to do that. And there are people across the world who are at the age of 19, 20 becoming billionaires. That's 8,000 crore. It's not even 1% of what I'm talking. So open your eyes to the world, consistently making 2 lakhs in profit. I've never failed more in control of my finances. I always thought stock market trading is for expert, but this program made it accessible to someone like me with zero experience, zero. As a student, as a beginner. It's not just about luck, it's a system that works. And then hear it from Devendra Singh Chadda, business owner making consistent profit with AI and automation. See this, I learned how to automate my trades with AI. Now it feels like having a second business that run itself. The manual stress of manual trading is gone. Now this person is going to achieve the financial freedom sooner because now he has two sources of income. One is business and one is stock trading, which is he's doing at a passive level. Then there is the favorite testimonial amongst all. Aniruddha, a homemaker contributing to their personal finances, and I know many of them will have their homemakers in their house. This event can change their life. And listen to this. As a homemaker, I always wanted to contribute financially to my family but didn't know where to start. Stock trading felt too complicated and risky, which is the case with 90% of you. After joining this course, I realized how AI could simplify everything, and now I'm making money regularly and it feels amazing to able to support my family. I never thought I would say this, but I'm excited about stock markets. This course has given me both confidence and the most important, financial independence. I recommend it to everyone. This is not one or two people. As I said, I've helped so far on my mission more than 4,000 people. And my mission is in 2025 to help over 1,000, 10,000 people. So 6,000 people are yet to get help from my side, but you can be the first 25 people to get everything day 1, day 2, and day 4 as well as a bonus, plus all the proprietary strategies as a bonus, back tested results, and B, get that invaluable investment. Make this invaluable investment among yourself. And you know what's the value of this event? 3-day event and four lucky people, 4-day event. It's 1,02,100, but not for you. It's a value of the event. We want you to help you achieve your financial freedom in the fastest way, in the budget friendly way possible. So, the investment that you are going to make for the asset which will be staying with you for the rest of your life is just rupees. For the first 25 people only, it's just rupees 6,999 plus GST invoice will be provided so you can claim back your GST. Hardik, how do I make the payment? I'm going to share the link in the Zoom chat. I want to be transparent with everyone so it comes on first come, first serve basis. Oh my god, I can see people have started to make the payment. I don't know how they got the link, but let me share it with everyone. Here is the link. I'm not able to paste it. What's the case? Let me quickly paste it. Okay, I think it's now going to come to you. Okay, it's coming. And now, guys, any one of you, you can click on the link. A payment page will open. It's backed by 100% money back. And if you're not available on those dates, you will get a batch transfer for the next year, which will be happening in the January or February. Will give you the dates plus the recordings of the December batch will be already given to you. So here is everything about the strategy. Everything, you put your name, put your right email address, put your right phone number, and you can make the payment. The price is just 6,999, and your GST is the charge. GST goes to the government. They give you legit taxable invoice on your name. You can claim back your GST as well. But now I want to join how many people on our mission. If you just want to scan a scanner, here is a scanner as well, by the way. I want to see how many people are starting their journey with me, accelerating their journey with me by dropping a FFA in the Zoom chat. Drop FFA in the Zoom chat. I want to see how many people are starting the journey. The first person to do that is Abhimanyu. Then there is Srinidhi, Vaibhav, Vandana, Vinayak, Kadam, Yadun Nanda, Madhvi, Raj Saxena, Amrita, Praveen, Manu Kumar, Santosh. Kamlesh, you have to make the payment for this. It's a financial freedom accelerator event, a paid event. FFA, that's great. Automatic strategy will be given. Every single win will be knowing given to you. Hardik, your money will is back by 100% money back. Yes, it's back by 100% money back guarantee. And the best part is, all the people, how many people are like, Hardik, I want some help with respect to finances? Drop me in the Zoom chat. Drop me in the Zoom chat. Is there any FFA participant who want to go for it and need some financial help? How many people want EMI? Do you want to make the payment in 3 months, 6 months, as per your convenience? Drop EMI in the Zoom chat. We are here to help you achieve financial freedom in the best way possible. So I can give you EMI service as well. Yes. So look into my screen. I'm going to close the chat box. Everyone follow along with me. Okay. Here is the link which is backed by 100% money back. So the people who are like, Hardik, I want some EMI support, I will give it to you. The people who can make full payment, congratulations, you are blessed, you are fortunate enough. You can accelerate your journey right now by making the full payment. But the people who are struggling with payments, follow along with me. See this, I'm going to click on the link just like you. Payment page will open. Put any random details. Let's say you put your name, you put your email address, whatever you put it, and click on pay now. But Hardik, I want EMI. Yes, I know. Just click on pay now. Your payment won't be deducted, so don't worry. Now the people who are affordable, they can afford UPI payments. Click on UPI, like put the scanner or put your number, make the payment via Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm. Good. People who want to go with cards, credit card, debit card, I recommend go and pay via cards if you have it. A credit card is the best way to do it because you will get some reward points which you can use it for some other purposes as well, to book your flights or something like that. The last option is for credit card and debit card holders with EMIs. So you can click on credit card and you can go as low as 290 rupees a month. With credit card and with debit card, you can go as low as 400 rupees a month. The question is, are you ready to invest, make an investment within yourself? Sadly, people lose money in stock market, but they never invest in themselves to learn a better way. Imagine this, investing your 8,000 rupees at a good place or losing that 8,000 rupees in the markets. There are people who have been there and lost their money because they don't have a proper mentor, they don't have a proper trading setup that works. So the EMI option is available in debit card, but debit card may just have HDFC or Indus Bank. Okay, you don't have all the banks. But in credit card EMI, you have all the banks. You have right from HDFC, ICICI, Axis, State Bank of India, MX, which is American Express. You have RBL, you have Kotak Mahindra, Indus Bank, HSBC. Hardik, how to go for it? Select, let's say you, for example, you have HDFC. Okay? Click on HDFC. If you want to go with 3 month, go with 3 month. You want to go with 6 month, go with 6 month. If you want to go with 9 month, you can go with 9 month. You can click on the select the payment plan you go want to go with and make the payment. अभी इससे ज़्यादा what I can do, इससे ज़्यादा how I can help you guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the Zoom chat. Or are you happy with EMI? Let me know in the chat box. I open the chat box for everyone. I think I made the payment. How do I get a confirmation? You will get a confirmation on your email address. But now, oh my god, oh my god, let me just cross verify this with my team. Guys, see this. I've got a message from my team right now. You won't even believe 15 people have registered as early birds. So the people are looking for this amazing bonuses. Only 10 seats are left. 15 seats are gone. That is why I call these people action takers. They know what they want in their life and they are action takers. And now I request those 15 people who have already made the payment. I have a surprise gift for you. Drop surprise in the Zoom chat. Now you are going to see how we are on a mission to help everyone. Surprise. Now, guys, see this. I'm going to close the Zoom chat, and those 15 people have written surprise, and few are still writing. I've closed the Zoom chat. This 15 people, I've kept one surprise bonus for this last. I didn't reveal it yet. And this will fulfill our mission without you paying anything extra. Those 15 people plus 10 people are about to enroll. So the people are still looking. You can get in the same price. So the people have already paid 6,999 for themselves. For example, Venkat, Mithun, Utpal, Deepak, Raj Saxena, Vivek, Gaurav, and 10 others who have already made the payment. This 10 people and others, like total 15 people, will not only get one ticket for the event. Then Hardik, what do you mean? One ticket is for you, but additional two tickets will be coming from my side. Hardik, what will be the charges for it? Free of cost. Hardik, why? Because I want you to bring one male and one female. If possible, bring two females from your house. Hardik, why? Because it's very important to empower our females, our women of the house. Okay. So if you can bring your wife, please bring her sister, daughter, mother. If you already are someone's wife, sister, daughter, or mother, bring your husband, brother, son, or father along with you. And Hardik, will there be any hidden charges? No. Two golden tickets for the event, a virtual event, will be given to you for free of cost. So you can, from your side, you can also help your family members for free of cost to achieve their financial freedom. How many people are now on a mission with me? Drop FFA. Financial Freedom Accelerator. Now, do you believe me? Now, do you trust me that this is a mission? Because I'm doing for free of cost for your family. I could have easily charged. Drop FFA in the Zoom chat. How many people are on a mission with me? Drop FFA. I can see Rahul, Suyendra, Vivek, Vaibhav, Agarwal, Kalyani, Aditi, Vishal, Ajay, Aditi Tiwari. That's great. It's money backed. Damo, I give you 100% guarantee. If you don't like it, if you don't get whatever I've committed to you, the whole list of this thing, take away your money back. I don't want your money. I don't want your Guru Dakshina. In Hindi, we call it as Guru Dakshina, which is mentorship fees. I don't want it. Hardik, how many seats left? Let me just cross verify with my team. Oh my God. Guys, I must say this is the best batch ever. There are more growth oriented and future focused people here because now only 6 seats left. I've got one more additional message from my team. Here it is, 6 seats only left. So now I will officially write it in the Zoom chat. 6 seats are left. And I must say, if you are thinking right now, you need to go with 6 seats because after this, there is no point because you won't get any bonuses and plus two VIP tickets and plus day four extended, which is for you and your family members. So I think you should make the payment right now. You can invest in yourself. Those six amazing people are looking to make the payment. How many people are looking to make the payment? How to make the payment on EMI? Okay, I will explain you one more time. I'm closing the chat box. See this, guys. I'm sharing the link again. All the people are still confused and you don't want to miss out on this. Click on the payment link. I'm waiting on this payment link for 2 4 minutes. Okay, I'm waiting for 2 4 minutes. Fill out your details, then I will show you EMI process. Put your full name, put your email, and put your phone number. I'm waiting for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, I will just open your bonuses and certificates. You put out your details meanwhile, and just chalo, let's wait for you. Put your number, put your email. I will show you how to opt for EMI or how to make the payment. Chalo, what else? What else? What else? Mm-hmm. Where's the payment link? I'm waiting for you guys. I hope everyone would have done it. So now what we are going to do is if you have put your name, if you have put your email address, if you have put your phone number, once you put all the things, so I will just, you have to click on pay now button. Once you click on pay now, again repeating. If you can make the full payment, go with EMI or card option, debit card, credit card. But if you want EMI, as low as 290 rupees a month or as low as 400 rupees a month, you can go with either credit card or debit card. Debit card, if you have HDFC, well and good, you can directly set up the automation. Credit card hai, so you can click on that, fill your details of the card. Once you select the payment plan, let's say you selected 282 wala 3 months you need to want to make the payment. Click on continue, put your card details. Don't save your card. I know it's said by RBI guidelines, but don't save it. Click on that and click on continue. Your job is done. Only 200 rupees extra will be done, but you have a time of 3 months to clear your payment. Soon, guys. Again, anyone wants to go with any other services, you can. 6 months, 8 months, 9 months, 12 months, 24 months. It depends on you. I've kept the complete thing on you. And now since, oh my god, we have got two more registrations. I've got an update from my team. Now only four seat is left. I've got one more message from my team. Only four seats are left. So the moment I was explaining, two people I think followed along with me and they have made the payment. So now only four seats are left. Before I move to certificates, before I move to bonuses, and before I share all this notes and everything with you right now, is there any person who wants to be part of those four seats trying to make the payment struggling? Is there a thing? Drop me in the Zoom chat because only four seats are left now. Okay, I just want to read out the names. There is Kadam, there is Krunal Patel. Please, guide, I'm not